How to remove Roblox pin if you forgot it. Welcome to another Roblox tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove the pin on your Roblox account if you forgot it. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So there is no forgot pin option within Roblox. So in order to remove our Roblox pin, we need to submit a support ticket with them to have it removed. And we can easily do that in the Roblox app by simply selecting the three dots with the circle around it in the bottom of the app. Then once the menu opens, scroll all the way down and select Help. Once Help opens, in the little search for articles, select that and type Forgot Pin. The first option that comes up is I forgot the pin. Select that. And then all we need to do is scroll down a little bit and select Contact Form. This will open up the browser on your phone. And from here, you might have to log into your Roblox account. But once you log in, under the contact information, make sure you put your username, then the email address of the person who set up the Roblox pin on your account. So if this is a parent, something like that. Under issue details, you want to first select the device you're using. I'm using an iPhone. Then under type of category help, select account hacked or can't log in. Then in the new dropdown that appears, select account pin. So now what we need to do is just describe our issue that we've forgotten the pin on our account and we need to remove the pin or have it reset so that we can turn it off. Now, if there's any other information, such as that you're the parent or the person that set up the pin, let them know that. Once you've finished giving them some information, select Submit. They may come back to you for more information, but pretty quickly they should be able to reset the Roblox pin on your account or remove it. All right, so that's how you remove Roblox pin if you forgot it. If you have any questions about this, leave a comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If you'd like to see more Roblox tips and tutorials, check the links in the description. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel, Gauging Gadgets, for more gadget reviews and tech tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.